Welcome back. Another night, Saturday, with the FX45 with my sister over there, Arlette. We're going to a meet today, for sure. So y'all already know, about to go down. I'm waiting for Randy and Homeboy to get out the store because they're still at the store. You know what I'm saying? Wait, is that Randy the vlogger? Oh shit! Where are we going? Tell them where we're going today.
Going to the motherfucking truck, me.
Really, nigga?
Yeah. That's what's up. Oh, supposedly they posted the ad and they're saying that they're gonna be swinging and shit, so it's gonna be bad ass. Bad ass, bro. Nah, but yeah, it's already 11, I think. Is it 11? About to be 11. And this hit the rollout. It's at 11:30. So I don't know if we're gonna make it there because it's a 30-minute drive. Oh shit!
Sponsor me, Modelo. Modelo. Shit.
Yeah. Exit 2. Yeah. They like, damn, where you been when you finish start drop? Hop in the game, watch that skyrocket. I know that they playing, man, I got them on watch. Racks in my jeans, barely fit in my pockets. Turn the shit up, yeah, I know they notice. Ballin' on niggas like Nikola Jokic. Bankroll big, hell nah, I can't fold it.
I've been getting every day. Young ass nigga, I'm a god to the ways, yeah. Whole squad don't belong in the city, nigga. Who am I to say the shit again? Pathway private in this bitch, you's a fuck nigga. 10 shots on your block, no luck, nigga. Talking about the bitches that'll change for the game, for the niggas that'll try to switch lanes for the fame. On me, I've been stressed out, thinking that I never really choose a city. Now you niggas need to get laid out. Mind full of shit, never got the pay now. Was a quiet ass kid, but I'm insane now. Stay to myself, but I'm okay now. Bitches tryna test, but I'm lost in the clouds. I'm just tryna. I'm just trying to stay the night and make your ass feel nice. I'm just trying to.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt-n-Pepa and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke, the hard.
That's a camera. That's a camera.
Yeah. We said Corolla.
On the gas. Puro oil. Puro aceite, ¿no? He got the caddy, bro.
There was 3 more that came behind him. Yep, there's another one over there.
Look, they got that nigga handcuffed.